Let's have the suggested format in research context. So we have this as our title, Attitude of Students on the Use of Statistical Application. So we have description here. The attitude of students on the use of statistical applications is presented in table 4. It includes the sample mean X bar as well as the sample standard deviation or small letter s. And then we have the name of our table. Table 2, students' attitude on the use of statistical applications. And we have here the table in APA style. So we have here statement. Okay, this statement, just copy this. Okay, in the instrument. So we have 15 statements here. This one, X bar and S. So these were generated. Okay, these were generated. Okay, using the apps. Okay, and then we also have the description. Okay, and the description is based on the legends. So we have the Likert scale here, a 4 point on the level of agreement. Okay, we strongly agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. And our focus now is how to discuss the results, okay, from the statistical analysis. Okay, so what I can suggest, okay, for you is you can start with the overall mean and the overall standard deviation with the description. So let's have this one. As shown in table 2, it shows that majority of the respondents claimed to have a positive attitude on the use of statistical applications as indicated by the overall mean of 3.20 this and standard deviation of 0.724. So after stating the overall result, we can proceed immediately with the implication. This implies a general acceptance and openness of students to integrating statistical applications in statistics. So we have the idea now that, okay, the result is positive. Students, okay, agreed. Okay, students had positive attitudes towards the use of applications in statistics. So we can focus next on the specifics. So one simple strategy is the highest and then the lowest. So for the highest, we have statement number 11. Okay, and then the lowest is statement number 8. So we'll see. Particularly, most of them strongly agreed in the statement 11, which states that they listen attentively to the concepts presented by their teacher using statistical applications. We have X bar is equal to 3.50 and we can immediately proceed with the implication. This one. Okay? This indicates that the use of statistical applications captures learners' attention and promotes active engagement during instruction. So this also supports the overall. Similarly, so it's a good result because the lowest is still under agree, but we can state our implication in such a way that it's still in the lowest value. So it needs maybe intervention or it's more challenging. So similarly, most of them agreed in the statement 8, which states that they find time to have hands-on with the application. So X bar is equal to 2.83. So if you can see, it's not really that high, but it's still agree. So what's the implication? This suggests that while respondents generally agreed, finding time for hands-on practice with statistical applications remains a challenge for some. So given the implications, you can focus on that in your related literature and studies.